Hello everybody, this video is going to be on a Mercury Innovations Smart Wi-Fi LED strip. Got this at Walmart, pretty inexpensive. It's 9 foot 8 inches long. It comes with a controller, which is where your USB plugs in and your LED strip plugs in. Comes with a power adapter in case you're not plugging this into the back of a TV or something like that. And it comes with a smart app and a little small set of instructions. So basically I'm going to plug this in, show you how to set it up. So I plugged my strip in, it's flashing to let me know it's in setup mode. So what we need to do now is download the app. Inside your manual there is a little QRC code. If you're using an Apple phone or a Google, basically just open your camera up and take a picture of that. Follow the instructions to download the app. So once I download the app, the first thing that pops up is there's a device nearby. So I'm going to add now. Now I've already got this app, I've got some other lights on it, but once you download the app, same thing, it'll basically come up, add device if you've already got other things in here. The next step, because that's my Wi-Fi, enable push notifications if you want to, that will let you know if somebody turns the light on or off. You can use Bluetooth on, notifications while using. Could be better, cancel leaving feedback. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is next step. I want to add it. I want to name it, whatever. Living room, save, done. And like I said, you'll see I had other devices in there already. So I've got like a plant shelf. I've got some other things that I set up temporarily, like a spare lamp, things like that. In this case, basically I want to click on the living room since that's what I just set up. As you can see, as I move the dial, it controls the lighting. Let me turn off my ambient lighting here. Soft white, cool white. Down at the bottom, I've got scenes. So I could do a certain scene if I wanted it. Colors, I can pick blue, red, green, pink, purple. If you go into more, there's sync to music. Now when you do that, it's going to use the microphone in your device, whether it's your smartphone, microphone, or whatever, and it's basically going to pick up the beat of the music or whatever it's listening to and change the lights based off of that. Since we're just talking, it's not going to do a whole lot. I'm going to turn something on. So in the music mode, basically you either have to have this super loud or you got to have your device right by a speaker. So if you're going to do it around your TV, I would suggest using the one I used the other day. So if you're going to use this for music around your TV, like if you want ambient light flashing around it, I did another video on like a bionic LED light strip, which worked out really good for that. I'll put a link in the description below. I'll try to put a tag on it right around this part of the video also. Overall, this is a pretty easy device to use if you're going to use it for plant lighting, under cabinet lighting, over cabinet lighting, things like that. The music is not going to be very good if you ask me, since it's using the microphone on your device. If you get a phone call, text message, anything like that's going to interrupt it. So overall, it does work. It's nice when you're changing just lighting. If you're going to do ambient lighting of some sort, you're going to do under cabinet lighting, over cabinet lighting, something like that, it works out good. Music, I would find something different to do the music. Like I said, I would do the LED Bionic or the Bionic LED, however it was, or something completely different. Anyhow, I could have made that video a lot longer. I was trying to keep it short and sweet. So if you got questions, comments, please leave them below. I'll try to answer any questions you have.